Hi guys, pag-uusapan lang natin dito yung trading bots natin. Ano na yung naging update dito, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong. I-discuss din natin to guys, yung pinaka-basis ko dito on how I select. Ano yung trend ng market, why I select these parameters, bakit ako nag-neutral, bakit ako nag-short, bakit ako nag-long. Di-discuss natin yan dito guys sa video natin today. Pero before tayo mag-start dito, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So, nandito tayo ngayon guys, gamit yung cellphone. We can create dito ng trading bots. Any market conditions guys, no? Kasi itong bot is nagkakaroon siya ng automatic buy and sell. On our behalf, yung bots na yun nagpi-place ng executions dito guys. No? And itong app na to guys, dinidiscuss natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. Matagal na rin to. Over 6 years na din to. Sa mga wala pang app na to guys, lalike sa description ng video na to yung official link. Meron ding trading fee discount and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys, no? So, gamitin nyo lang yan. Nasa description ng video na to. And majority ng tutorials natin dito sa ating YouTube channel is that for this app. And upcoming nga guys, no, yung ating day trading challenge ulit dito. Yung iPhone 15 Pro day trading challenge dito. Abangan nyo lang. We have draft na dito. Ito yung gagamitin natin na application guys. No? At the same time, you can ask during our live dito guys kung meron man kayo mga questions. Is that pwede kayo magtanong guys. No? So ngayon, unahin ko lang kayo dito guys na bigyan ng summary. Yung trading bots natin, pinaka-update. Sa mga nagtatanong, hope you get some ideas dito. At sana, masagot ko yung katanungan nyo dito guys. No? So ngayon, nandito ako sa home. And then pagkatapos nyan, trading bots. And then punta muna tayo dito sa all orders guys. Meron tayo ditong profits 21 in USDT. Sinet up lang natin dito yung parameters and yung pinaka-balance natin or starting natin dito. At ito na yung naging profits niya, 19.62%. We have negative din dito guys. I'll discuss this na lang. Dito kay Hook USDT. So meron tayo ditong profits. We have long, we have neutral, and neutral din to guys, no? So discuss ko lang dito guys itong kay BTC USDT. So since naka-neutral tayo dito, it means na if ever na sobrang tumaas yung price actions, that's the time na mag-negative tayo dito guys, no? And if ever man na sobrang bumagsak yung price actions, tapos matagal bumalik doon sa pinaka price actions niya before, is that dyan din yung other way na pwede tayong malos guys, no? So it's better din dito, risk management, napaka-importante dito guys, no? And again, if you have experience dito, it's better guys, no? Itong mga gantong approaches that for the experienced trader lang. And disclaimer lang ulit dito guys sa video natin is that this video is just for ideas lang for our friends and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito and feel free to ask questions lang dito guys, no? So, ngayon, ito yung mga results natin. Puntahan naman natin dito guys sa spot grid, no? So, dito sa spot grid, we have profits dito ng 12.26 in USDT. Dito, automatic siya na nagkakaroon ng buy and sell or wala siya ditong pinaka sell short or buy long guys, no? This is totally spot trades lang na if ever na bumagsak yung market, nagkakaroon siya ng executions ng buy, no? If ever na tumaas, nagkakaroon siya ng executions ng sell, no? So, ito yung spot grid. Kagandahan dito, walang liquidations guys, no? Hindi kagaya dito sa futures grid na if ever na sobrang bumagsak yung price actions, tapos naka-neutral ka or naka-long ka, is that doon ka malulos, no? So, merong leverage na tinatawag. So, ito, it's beginner friendly itong spot grid. So, meron tayo ditong GMT na sinet up before. Still on the negative side. We have XRP as well. Still on the negative. And yung magiging scenario dito, if ever na maging positive to, is that kailangan lang tumaas ng price actions dito. Pwede natin i-check. So, ito yung price actions sa monthly. Pwede natin i-check sa 4 hours time frame. So, as of the moment, ito yung pinaka-structure niya. If ever man tumaas siya ng around 53, 52 cents, that's the time na magkaka-profits tayo guys, no? Since nasa spot trading to, magkaka-profits lang tayo dito guys if nagkakaroon ng sideways yung galaw ng market and tumaas yung galaw nitong price actions na XRP guys, no? So, ganun mag-work yung spot grid trading bots dito. So, as well as for GMT, yung scenario dito para mag-green or para magka-profits tayo is that kung sakali na tumaas yung price actions nyo, no? So, pwede natin check. Ito yung price actions nyo sa 4 hours time frame. Pwede rin natin i-check sa daily time frame. If ever na tumaas siya above maybe 17 cents or 18 or 20 cents, that's the time na magkakaroon tayo dito ng profits, no? Pero as of the moment, yung pinaka-advantage natin dito is that if ever na magkaroon pa siya ng pagtaas ng presyo, that's the time na magkaka-profits tayo dito, no? Downside perspective natin dito, since naka-spot grid tayo, if if ever na bumagsak pa yung price actions, that's the time na malalos tayo guys, no? So makikita natin dito yung mga negatives natin. Pero kahit papaano, majority ng ating profits dito is that greens guys, no? Yung pinaka-results ng trading bots pala natin is on greens guys, no? So majority of that 12 USDT profits compared to the negative na 5 USDT, no? So futures grid, we have 21 USDT and 55 USDT guys, no? So this is more or less 100 USDT yung profits natin, minus yung mga negative dito na negative profits or negative results natin dito guys. So yun, explain ko lang dito guys yung pinaka basis ko kung bakit ako nag neutral dito sa futures grid, bakit ako dito nag long, ano yung basis ko. So discuss ko lang to guys, itong nasa illustration na to. Ayan, so ito is first stages ng market cycle combination as well as experience na rin natin dito guys, na it's very important na meron tayo dito experience when we do trades dito. Crypto market is very volatile, it's risky, so we should have proper setups and emotional discipline. Kasama na rin dyan, sobrang laking factor ng experience natin guys, na it's very relevant na meron tayo ditong experience, no? So dito sa illustration na to guys, makikita natin dito yung first stages sa market cycle. I-mention dito yung accumulation, advancing, distribution, and declining guys, no? My own perspective guys, again, it's my own approach dito. Ito can be reflect or can be profitable, can be effective on my end, but it depends on your end, no? So this may vary guys, no? This is very subjective. So on the accumulation, that's the time na I set neutral setups dito ng bot trading natin. We can see some accumulation move doon, yung pagtaas at pagbaba ng presyo ng isang price action. So that's the time na we can see advantage na mag-set ng bot guys, no? Kasi automatic siya nagkakaroon ng buy and sell if ever na bumagsak, and if ever na magkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo, automatic siya na magkakaroon ng pagbenta doon sa nabili natin, no? So that's the accumulation part. So sa accumulation part guys, makikita natin yung price action na gumagalaw lang siya ng sideways guys, no? Ito yung tinatawag nila guys na nagkakaroon ng support resistance. That means na nagre-range lang yung price actions, no? So, nag-accumulate lang siya within that zone or within that area, no? So, sideways lang yung galaw. Yung oscillators natin or yung moving average natin dito is naka-flatline lang siya, or minsan naka-decline, naka-flat yung structure ng moving average dito, no? So, that's the accumulation. If ever na nagre-range yung price action, nagkakaroon siya ng support resistance, that's on the accumulation phase, yung market cycle guys, no? So next stage ng market cycle guys is that yung tinatawag natin dito guys na advancing, no? So sa advancing mode naman or sa advancing stage naman, that's the time na nagkakaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo, asset is trading above moving average. This means yung price action is nasa taas, yung moving average natin is that nasa baba guys, no? So nagkaroon ng pag-crossover, pag-takeover ng price action sa moving average, no? And yung price action sobrang laki ng tinataas, bullish engulfing pattern or yung mahabang green candle. We can see some green candles during that stage ng market cycle sa advancing guys, no? So that's the time na I set my parameters or I set my setup sa bot trading ng long positions guys, no? As we can see kanina kay Hook, after na magkaroon ng accumulation, advancing yung potential next move ng isang price action na yon, I observed that and I've noticed that, so I decided to set my parameters to long setup guys, no? So next stage ng market cycle, ito yung pangatlo, ito yung tinatawag natin na distribution. Ito is nasa taas na accumulation guys, no? Kung makikita natin accumulation nasa baba, ito namang distribution guys is nasa taas, no? Pagkatapos mag-advancing ng price action is that yung asset price is nasa taas na guys, no? Nagkakaroon na siya doon ng sideways na galaw, no? Nung ranging na price action doon sa taas, no? So that's the distribution. Meron tayong videos niyan for stages ng market cycle. 2019 pa natin binigyan ng perspective. And that's the time naman guys na mag-setup ako dito ng neutral setup for my bot trading. So, kagaya siya ng accumulation pero sa taas, no? Pagkatapos niyan, after the distribution, we can see some massive retracements or massive red candle naman. So, that means na magkakaroon na siya ng pag-decline, no? So that's the fourth stage na, which is declining. Nagkakaroon ng pagbagsak ng price action. Asset is trading below na ng moving average. Kabaliktaran na siya ng advancing. And then the price action is going down strongly guys, no? So we can see some bearish pattern na dyan. Sobrang haba ng sell-off or sobrang haba na candlesticks na kulay pula. So that's a potential declining and potentially the price will go down, guys, no? And then for me, it's an opportunity to set a short setup dyan for the bot trading kasi it will build up pa ng mga swing high before siya magkaroon ng swing low na tinatawag, guys, no? Or pag-continue ng pagbagsak ng price actions, no? So hopefully, guys, you get some ideas dito. I'll share this din sa live stream natin. If hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan, meron naman tayong live na ginagawa dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, feel free to subscribe lang. Turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga live natin, sa mga updates natin dito, guys, no? So, yun, that's our ideas dito. How I see potential on bot trading using the stages ng market cycle as our basis dito, guys, no? At kung mayroon man kayo dito mga questions, I just feel free to ask lang sa comment section ng video na to, guys, no? Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.